Uptown Swing. Level 3, tempo plus. I'm Brian. Val doesn't have a microphone. So we went back to J-Kicks and worked on them a little bit more. We talked a little bit about an entrance. Boom, hey, hey, where the follower stays there and the leader gets in front. Boom, boom, and then we open it up. Back to Charleston. Bam. And then we went on to a little 6+2. A rock step kick. Hey, run, run. We caught in crosshand. We had 3 different options there. That little side pass we just showed. You can go back to closed. Hey, zip, boom, kick, kick. You can go into tandem. Zip, rock step, hey, boom, hop, hey, hey, boom, hey. And then we talked about followers. You have this choice of a little extra kick here. Away. Boom, hey, boom, boom, hey, hey. That one, and I might do a Charleston swing out because it feels really good after that. That's what we did. Thanks, bye.